And immediately starts the show full. And immediately you can see the team collapse. We said 6. Here's a voice there from Red One. Red One is in his second year as team leader. He was previously in Reds 2 to 9 for 5 years before coming back to join the team as the team leader in 2024. And that's squad leader John Bond, known as Bondy. Former Typhoon pilot, former qualified flying instructor on the Tucano, where he was a display pilot in 2012. The team have now moved into 9 Hour and the smoke comes on from the right. Once again, it's the Red Arrow. On the right hand side of Red 1 is Red 2, Flight 10 Rob Thomas. Rob is in his first year into an instructor on the Hawk Team Mark 1. Before then completing his own training, joining the Typhoon Corps, having served on operations in Iraq and Syria with 11 squadrons. Before then become an instructor on 29 squadron, all based at RAF Coningsby in Lincolnshire. You now see that centre section move forward. It's actually the wings of the formation moving rearwards as we form the widest and largest shape that we fly in 2000 in the swamp. Once again, he pulls up at over 400 miles per hour, showing the expertise of the pilots for looping in formation. Not only that, to make it a bit more difficult, he changed shape from swan into shuttle as Reds 8 to 9 collapse inwards. The aircraft reaching heights of over 5,500 to 6,000 feet. Once again, slowed down to over 120 miles per hour. Those in the control column do a lot less. And then the aircraft start to increase their speed back down to 200, 300, back to 400 miles per hour before Red 1 brings them around to the left. On the left-hand side of that centre section is Red 3, Flight Lieutenant Andrew McEwen, known as Madden. He flew the Aviator-B, which is a Harrier variant, while on exchange with the United States Marine Corps. Before then coming back to the UK and joining the world-famous 617 Dambuster Squadron based at RAF Marham in Norfolk, where he flew the latest 5th generation Royal Air Force aircraft, the F-35B Lightning II. The aircraft start to move once again. Reds 2 and 3 move. All the way at the back of that formation, on the right hand side is Red 4 scoring across the can. He's working extremely hard, having to look through the formation at Red 1 because we take all our formation levels from Red 1. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your cameras ready. A fantastic photo opportunity for the colourful Big Vixen. It's not just about the pilots. We have a team of over 140 personnel. 120 of them are the engineers, the logisticians, the public relations, the administrators, and they are known as the Blues, due to the colour of their blue flying coverall. And of course there are a number of Blues here today.